get to you saying about bro. But them man, they not trouble people, you know, brother. Might mash up over here saying that.
Why we having this conversation, Maxine? Why you calling me and upsetting my spirit? Let me tell you something. Whatever we agreed to on paper, and I made sure I read the fine print and I went through everything, that is what you're supposed to execute. Nothing else. Your deputization is to follow my directives. Not to come up with things that you think you want to do or things that you want to execute. Just understand that if you deviate from whatever we agreed to, you'll be hearing from the lawyers. And that is an airtight situation. So nobody even thinks say you can wiggle your way out tight. Do what I tell you to do and not deviate. Hold on. Look here. May I get a call? May talk to you later, Maxine. I don't have time for this. Stick to the agreement. Hello? Hey, what's up? What?
Brother. You know how you're feeling a family. But who want to deal with the matter? Proper, my G. Dada, you nah see praying about bro. I stop the man that try to stop food in the youth. And say I hot the man that hot up the block. Say all the tourists them stop far around brother. Back food out of man mouth. I'm telling my youth. Full time you let me loose, you know. Brother, you know how you feel, you know. Brother, I know you feel like someone have your back, you know. I'm ready for bus out of head right now, you know. Why people run, come over here, come link king. But we can't deal with that way, family. We have to get to the root of this.
I can't believe this. I know the man, Bobby, I know him very well. You wouldn't even want to know how deep that the story they're going, brother. Tragedy is just happening left, right, and center. I don't know what else I'm going to do. I have to take this as an opportunity to go around here. Elections coming up anyway, so I have to walk through, secure my votes them to ensure that everything is solid for the next one. Yeah, man, we have to go put a package together and make sure that we support the 9-night and all of that. But yeah, man, I'm definitely going there. I just need to change my shirt. I want to be on the scene as quickly as possible. Yes. Yeah, tragic. Alright, I'll talk to you. Tragic for them. Opportunity for me.
Quick, hear this. Our purpose different now, brother. You see, every move has to be calculated. I don't think red lane or even square involved in it. I think deeper than that. You over?
You were saying still a king. You were saying that I do it phone away for now. But you see, anytime we find out who do this, tell you anything that. Nobody can hold me back again.
Well, at least we're by time.
What am I doing for, man?
Really love follow up man community, man.
Gentlemen, first of all, I heard what happened in the communities. And I just letting you know that I'm here to offer my sincere condolences.